Have you created an Etsy shop and are struggling to get sales? Well, if so, then this video is definitely for you. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to take you through my process of finding Etsy bestsellers. Then we're going to use that to create our own designs and get them uploaded onto Etsy. So we're going to be using Creative Fabrica to try and find our graphics. So without further ado, let's jump over onto the computer and let's take a look and see what's going on Etsy today. So here we are within Etsy. So we are going to try and find our Valentine's Day bestseller, and then we're going to use Canva and possibly Creative Fabrica to recreate that. So let's have a look. First of all, we'll just start off nice and simple and go Valentine's. There we go. Right, so again we've got the ads. I am really loving this one here in particular. $11.97 star seller. It's had a total of 70 sales. Nothing recently, however. But that one is really grabbing my eye. Self-love club, I really like. Sorry gals, my mummy is my Valentine's. Love, love hearts. Something like this is really good. So let's have a look at the product analytics. So what this is going to do, it's just going to pull through all of the bestsellers. So we've got a whole shop bundle. So that one there, that's a put your own design on. I love my girlfriend. There's the next one, estimated sales in the last month. So if we go, yeah, that's better. It's bundles, bundles. You are enough. Oh, that's a SVG, custom tees. Let me just have a look at that. That's really nice. And I've seen some really lovely ones like this. Let's just firstly take a look. So they think that this particular, that's a jumper. That was a jumper, wasn't it? Let me just reopen it. Yeah, so that one, there's the jumper sweater. What I'm going to do, that's 207 sales they're estimating in the last month, with an estimated revenue of £3,216. So that's in GBP, so the Great British Pound. They're selling that for £16. So that's a really good price. I'd be very interested to know where they're getting that from for so cheap. So I think now I've got my bestseller. So this jumper here is going to be my inspiration. Right, so we are, firstly, I'm going to open up Creative Fabrica. So my idea is something like you are my cup of tea. There are links for Canva, Creative Fabrica and Everbee all in the description below. I can see so clearly in my mind what it is that I'm after. Let's see what that comes up with. Oh, here we go. Right, let me have a look at these. Love you a latte. I would love to hear where you are on your Etsy journey, so please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, so I have found this, where is it? Okay, I found this picture here, which I really love. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to download that and head across Canva. Now, with Creative Fabrica, you can pay per item that you want to download. However, if you are doing print on demand or KDP, or you want to take classes, things like that, I would really recommend that you sign up for a subscription. They often have really amazing deals on. So definitely take a look at it, see what you think. There is a link in the description below. If you are doing print on demand and you would like Canva, then you do need to go for a pro membership. What's really amazing about Canva is they actually give you a pro membership for 30 days for free. So again, definitely check that out. So what we're going to do just here is we are going to create a custom size. So I'm going to use this one here, which is what I typically used for my Etsy mock-ups. So this is 2000 by 2500 pixels. And then what I'm going to do is just drag across some of my mock-ups. So I'm going to try it on the black. Try it on the navy. White. There we go, white hanging. White on the model. That's it. So I'm going to stick with the t-shirts. There's a black hanging there. Yep, that'll be okay. And then what I'm just going to do is bring my... And what you need to remember is that when you're doing this for yourself is that if you have an idea and you think actually that's really not working, then just change it. It doesn't matter. You want to create the best designs that are for you. I'm literally creating this, you know, on the spot for this video. So now I'm going to change the opacity down to around about 90. Yeah, there we go. Then I'm going to duplicate that. Bring that down onto my next picture. There we go. It looks really good on the blue. The white. In fact, I think it looks better on the darker colours. There we go. And I'm just going to quickly go and see if I can find another navy mock-up. So what I've actually decided to do is just offer it out in the black and the white, I think. No, just keep the blue. I will keep the blue in. So that's that. Now I just need to add in my sizing chart. That's the jumper there. Okay, so that's my mock-ups done. So now I'm going to download that. Just there, downloading as a PNG. So there is also a link down below for Printify so that you can get yourselves going with that. It gives you, I think it's 30 days free trial with Printify Premium. And that gives you 20% off everything. So quite a big deal there. So I'm going to go for t-shirts, going to the products. and we're using the Bella Canvas 3001, which is definitely the most popular. So I'm just going to have a look for Monster Digital. There we go. So $10.30 with shipping of $4.35. And if I had Printify Premium, that would be $9. So we're going to go prices and variants. So I want it in white, black, and navy. Update that. And now we're going to pull across the image. Okay, so now I'm just gonna bring that up, and then I'm gonna make it as just a tiny bit bigger both sides. There we go. Perfect. So I'm happy with that. Now I'm going to go preview just there so we can have a quick look at their mock-ups, but I won't use the mock-ups within the Etsy store. There we go, so person 1. There you go, perfect. So I'm really happy with that. So now you can see it as well. So that's the white. See it now in the black. And the navy. There we are. And now I'm just going to save that product. And then I'm just going to unclick all these different views. And then we're going to call this There we go. Now with the pricing, so need to also remember I'm currently doing it where I'm not charging for the postage, but obviously so I need to factor that into this cost. So actually my cost here would be $14.65. So I'm going to go select all, edit price. So $14.65 is my base. I'm gonna put this up at $17.99, which is going to be, it looks there like it's a 43% margin, but it isn't. And then here, offer that, but that needs to go to $19.99. And then that one, I'm going to go to $20.99. Then I'm going to change that to show in-stock variants as available and out-of-stock variants as sold out. I don't want to create a new shipping profile. I'm going to keep with my existing, which is US free delivery. And now I'm going to hit publish, and that's now going to come across to my Etsy store. So we're going to go to Etsy, into my shop, and then we're going to just simply add in the new, oops, not come across yet. Here we go. And now we're going to add in the mock-ups that we have just recently downloaded. And I'm just dragging them across. And you can add new listings on your phone. However, you do get far more options of what you can do when you're doing it like on a computer. So I definitely recommend when you're doing things like this, come across to your computer. You just get so much more control and you won't miss anything out. So that's going through now. Whilst they're uploading, we'll go through. So another company or person has made this. It's a finished product and it's made for order. It's going to be listed within t-shirts, primary colour, select as white, size. It is short sleeved, neckline is crew, style athletic, occasion we are going to go for oh, it could go in as an anniversary gift, celebration, Valentine's Day. I'm going to put it on as an automatic. It's a physical product, Printify. We're going to put in there that it's going to go under my t-shirts, and then I will go through and work out my tags, and I'll be right back shortly. So another really cool feature of Everbee is that when you've got your Chrome extension up, when you click into a listing, so we were in this one here, and then if I do the product analysis on that, it actually tells me what tags they're using and how many searches they have got. So sort of couples matching is a really good one. Funny Valentine, couples shirt. So I'm going to start using some of those. So let's just copy those across. Now I'm going to pop these. Where's my shop gone? Here we go. Copy those across into mine. So once all my tags are uploaded, I'm then just going to put in the material just in there as cotton, and then just check through everything, and then I can hit publish, and then we have ourselves a bestseller. Really hope that you have found that video super useful. I hope that there are things that you can take out of that video and take back to your own Etsy store. Please do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below. I'll see you all next time. Thank you so much. Bye.